CIO Workshop was designed to help IT managers and CIOs to understand what are the challenges in technology, especially emerging technologies, so that we learn from others as well as to network with our peers so that we do not repeat mistakes. That is actually a very powerful tool for CIOs to do well in their job. Well, see, AI is not something new. 10 years ago, we were already talking about AI, except that the problem with AI at the time was insufficient data. So today, AI coupled with big data, a lot of things can be done, a lot of analysis can be done, and of course, new ways of working will emerge as a result of all these analytics, right? So the challenge is with AI is some of these technologies is going to make some of the jobs obsolete. Things which are repetitive, which are routine, will be easily replaced by machine, and that is the danger. But well, throughout history, that has always been the case, right? I mean, so it's nothing so scary and nothing so frightening that is something special. It's just that throughout history, people have been trying to cope with all this technology. And so the mindset of the young people is that we must continually learn. So as long as you continually learn and keep in touch, explore possibilities, then if we are really replaced by machine, hopefully there's something else for us to do, because we have already invested our time to understand how we can overcome this disruption.